In this video, I will show how to replace window screen. This is the big tier which need to be replaced, but if it's a small tier, you can use a sticky patch to fix it. Remove older spline. You can use any screwdriver or any pointing thing to take it out. And sometimes you can use the older spline. So do not throw it away. If you can reuse it, do it. If not, then you probably need to buy a new spline. And whenever you go to buy a new spline, take it with you because spline come in a different thickness. So you want the one which fit to your window. After removing the older screen, roll out new screen and leave some extra around all edges. After putting the spline, we will cut the extra edges. I'm using spline tool. One side will use to put screen in and the other side will use to push spline in. This is how we will use a side to put the screen in. And before starting any other side, put the spline in first to secure this one and then we will move to the other one. I do not need to use the new one because my older spline is still good, so I will use the old one. And you probably notice I leave some space on the left side. When I will push the spline in, that gap will be automatically filled. You can see how it is getting filled. If you're using the new spline, you don't need to be worried because you will have some extra, so you can cut it later. After completing this side, I will move to the other and then complete that one. This is how you will do rest of the sides as well. I have completed all four sides, now using the standing knife to cut the edges. If you like the video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Until the next video, take care.